Number 7 on page 410 is going to use two different identities. The first one is the use of our cofunctions, and the second one is our odd and even identities. We are given that sine of theta minus pi over 2 equals 0.73, and we're supposed to use that to help us find the value of cosine of negative theta. So the thing you want to notice is the angle we're talking about with sine, theta minus pi over 2, is in reverse order of what's given for the cofunction identities, which is that sine of pi minus 2, pi over 2 minus theta, is equal to cosine of theta. So let's work with that. So what we have from what's given is we have this backwards. So if we were to write our original in this way, then we have the same thing, because then our pi over 2 will be negative like it is in the original, and our theta will be positive as it is in the original. But what we know is that since sine is an odd angle, this is going to be the same as negative sine of theta minus pi over 2. So that's going to be negative 0.73. Now, since on the other side we have a negative angle, this is going to give us cosine of negative theta, because we have the opposite. So that's going to equal negative 0.73. But cosine is an even function, so cosine of negative theta is the same as cosine of positive theta. So cosine of negative theta and cosine of positive theta is going to be negative 0.73, which is the one we want.